Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive deep and explore the best sublimation printer under $1,100. These printers are the world's most well-known and reliable equipment and will deliver the best results for any sublimation printing task. And with that in mind, we have shortlisted the top 5 sublimation printers under $1,100. So that you can get the most out of your purchase and enjoy the best possible prints. We all know that a quality sublimation printer can make or break your project, which is why choosing the right one is essential. To help you out, we've taken the time to review each of our top 5 sublimation printers under $1,100. The output quality of these printers is impressive, and they also come with all the features you need for your project. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each sublimation printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Epson EcoTank Pro ET16600 printer. The Epson EcoTank Pro ET16600 color inkjet printer is an optimistic choice for those seeking the best sublimation printer under $1,100. This high-performing printer combines affordability, versatility, and professional-grade results, making it a top contender in its class. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET16600 color inkjet printer is a reliable and efficient printing solution. Say goodbye to smudges and waiting time, as this printer delivers instant dry, borderless prints up to 11 inches by 17 inches with exceptional clarity and precision. The ET16600 offers fast wide-format prints and scans, enabling you to unleash your creativity on larger canvases. Its impressive 25 ISO ppm black print speed, L, powered by Precision Core heat-free technology guarantees swift and efficient printing, saving you valuable time. What sets this printer apart is its revolutionary EcoTank system, offering up to 2 years of unlimited ink. This means you can print up to an astonishing 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 pages in color before refilling the ink tanks. You can save up to 80% with low-cost replacement ink bottles compared to standard capacity color laser toner cartridges. 1. So if you are interested in this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 2 is Cardholder ID Solid 210 Badge Printer. When it comes to sublimation printing, finding the best printer that suits your budget can be a thrilling adventure. Then the captivating Cardholder ID Solid 210 Badge Printer is the unrivaled choice for those seeking a top-notch sublimation printer under $1,100. Step into a world of excitement as you witness Solid 210's enchanting capabilities. This compact marvel brings your creative visions to life with vibrant, eye-popping colors. With a mesmerizing print quality of 300 dpi, your designs will dazzle like never before, leaving a lasting impression on any viewer. Simplicity and efficiency merge harmoniously with the Solid 210's manual feeding system, allowing you to print up to 300 full-color cards per hour. Its lightweight and compact design is perfect for any workspace, making it an ideal companion for cost-effective security in small organizations. With the included 250 print full-color ribbon, 200 PVC cards, 200 strap clips, and a slot punch, you'll be fully equipped to print and wear 200 standard CR80-sized ID badges. Your imagination is the only limit as you create employee ID cards, access control cards, and even visitor passes with the versatile Cardholder ID software. So if you are inquisitive about this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3 is HP SmartTank 7301 All-in-One Printer. Introducing the ultimate printing companion for busy families, the HP SmartTank 7301 Wireless All-in-One Cartridge-Free Ink Printer, the best sublimation printer under $1,100. This sleek and stylish powerhouse is designed to bring color and convenience into your life, making every print, copy, and scan a breeze. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly replacing cartridges because this printer is fully loaded with savings. With up to 2 years of original HP ink bottles included, you can print up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages right out of the box. That's an incredible value. Navigating through everyday printing tasks has always been challenging. The smart guided buttons illuminate to guide you effortlessly through every step, ensuring a stress-free experience. And when it comes to security, this printer has you covered. So if you like this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4 is Epson EcoTanki T15000 printer. In today's world of vibrant creativity and endless possibilities, the quest for the best sublimation printer under $1,100 takes us on a thrilling journey. And behold, at number 4, we unveil the marvelous Epson EcoTanki T15000 wireless color all-in-one SuperTank printer, ready to revolutionize your printing experience. Prepare to be dazzled by this technological marvel, offering a symphony of features that will leave you in awe. With its sleek design and advanced functionality, this printer is a gem for professional artists and passionate hobbyists. Let's dive into the realm of limitless imagination this Epson EcoTank printer unlocks. Immerse yourself in vivid colors that pop off the page thanks to its superior sublimation capabilities. Bid farewell to the shackles of costly ink cartridges and welcome the era of low-cost replacement bottles, saving you a whopping 90% on ink costs. But that's not all. With the EcoTanki T15000, you can embrace a world of versatility. This printer has your back, whether printing stunning 13-inch by 19-inch masterpieces or effortlessly scanning and copying your cherished 8.5-inch by 11-inch documents. So if you are interested in this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 5 is Canon Maxify GX7021 printer. You are introducing the Canon Maxify GX7021 wireless megatank small office all-in-one printer, the epitome of sublimation printing perfection. This incredible printer is a true gem, delivering outstanding performance while fitting snugly in your workspace. Get ready to unleash your creativity without the hassle, as the Maxify GX7021 boasts an easy Wi-Fi setup that takes minutes. And speaking of convenience, the ink bottles feature a genius keyed nozzle design that ensures only the correct color ink tank is filled. No more mix-ups or messes. Setting up this powerhouse is a breeze. With its streamlined and user-friendly setup process straight out of the box, you'll be up and running quickly. But that's not all. The Maxify GX7021 flaunts two 250-sheet bottom cassettes, allowing you to store 500 sheets of plain paper. Packed with features, this sublimation printer is a steal for under $1,100. Its vibrant output and sharp detail will bring your designs to life like never before. So why wait? Embrace the ultimate printing experience with the Canon Maxify GX7021 and unleash your wildest ideas onto paper. So if you like this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best sublimation printer under $1,100. If you want to purchase any of these best sublimation printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.